Welcome to Quiz Burst. Get ready to test your knowledge with our pub quiz featuring 5 exciting rounds. Please prepare your pen and paper. Round 1 entertainment, round 2 sport, round 3 science and nature, round 4 connection, round 5 general knowledge. You'll have 10 seconds for each question and earn 2 points for every correct answer. Challenge yourself and see how many points you can score. Share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and challenging quizzes. Let's get started. Round 1. Entertainment Good Luck. Round 2 sport. Round 3, science and nature. Now, let's reveal the answers for round 1, entertainment. First, what was the name of the band that Bob Geldof was a member of? The Boomtown Rats. Number 2, which actor co-created The Office, Extras, Derek, and Afterlife? Ricky Gervais. Number 3, which actor won the Best Actor Oscar for his portrayal of Winston Churchill in the movie Darkest Hour? Gary Oldman. Number 4, Wet, Wet, Wet were from which country? Scotland. Number 5, who played the role of Mother in Absolutely Fabulous? June Whitfield. Number 6, 8 Mile was the movie acting debut of which rapper who also features on 5 tracks on the soundtrack? Eminem. Number 7, who recently launched their celebration tour in London? Madonna. Number 8, which singer had hits with Love, To Love You Baby, I Feel Love, and Hot Stuff? Donna Summer. Number 9, who played the title role in the movie Ace Ventura, Pet Detective? Jim Carrey. Number 10, Divorce was a huge hit for which country singer? Tammy Wynette. Answers for round 2 sport. First, how many dice are used in the game of Yahtzee? 5. Number 2, how many points is a drop goal worth in rugby league? 1. Number 3, which of these games console series came first, PlayStation or Xbox? PlayStation. Number 4, how many periods make up a standard 60-minute ice hockey match? 3. Number 5, the longest-standing world record in track and field is currently the women's 800m. It was set in which year? 1983, 1993, or 2003? 1983. Number 6, how many shots are required to complete a 147 break in snooker? 36. Number 7, the board game Totopoly was based on which sport? Horse racing. Number 8, in which sport are the Queensberry rules associated? Boxing. Number 9, where might you find a wipeout? Use a thruster and attach your leg with a leggy. Surfing. Number 10, in which card game might you twist, stick, split all with the intention of not going bust? Blackjack, Pontoon, or 21? Answers for round 3, science and nature. First, in computing, URL stands for Uniform Resource what? Locator. Number 2, SN is the chemical symbol for which element? Tin. Number 3, what name is given to the rise and fall of sea levels? Tides. Number 4, the pH level for stomach acid should be in which range? 1 to 3, 7, or 11 to 13? 1 to 3. Number 5, how many canine teeth should an adult human have? 4. Number 6, all the planets in the solar system take their name from Roman mythology except for Uranus, which takes its name from where? Greek mythology. Number 7, in computing, FTP stands for file what protocol? Transfer. Number 8, which animal can be Red Angus, Brown Swiss, or Belgian Blue? Cow. Number 9, where would you find the patella? Kneecap. Number 10, what is the name of a three-dimensional image reproduced from lasers? Hologram.
Round 4, connections. Answer questions 1 through 9 as normal, but pay close attention. For question 10, you'll need to figure out the common link that connects all of your previous answers. Can you spot the connection?
Round 5, general knowledge. Now, let's reveal the answers for round 4, connection. First, what can go after Regent and Oxford to make the names of famous shopping areas in London? Street. Number 2, what G describes a formal assurance that certain conditions will be fulfilled? Guarantee. Number 3, Which tax introduced in the UK in 1973 started at 10% and currently stands at 20%? VAT. Number 4, what is the name of people who tend to and rear sheep? Shepherd. Number 5, which singer had albums Let's Dance, Diamond Dogs and Heroes? David Bowie. Number 6, winter, spring, summer, and autumn are collectively known as what? Seasons. Number 7, the what machine was the name of the van in Scooby-Doo? Mystery. Number 8, used for going away. What is the name of the item with a handle and a hinged lid used for carrying possessions? Suitcase. Number 9, on a snooker pool table, what is the name given to the 6 holes around the table? Pocket or pockets? Number 10, what links these 9 answers together? They are all in the Only Fools and Horses theme tune. Answers for round 5 general knowledge. First, Lime Street is the main train station in which UK city? Liverpool. Number 2, what nationality was the neurologist and founder of psychoanalysis Sigmund Freud? Austrian. Number 3, what is the height of a badminton net? Is it 4, 5, or 6 feet? 5 feet? Number 4, what is the name of the Japanese dish that usually consists of seafood and vegetables that have been coated in a thin batter and deep fried? Tempura. Number 5, Dominica and Nicaragua are the only 2 countries to use which color on their flags? Purple. Number 6, which car maker has the electric car the Leaf? Nissan. Number 7, what was the name of the nuclear power plant that had a devastating accident in 2011 in Japan? Fukushima. Number 8, according to a study of the relative frequency of letters used in the English dictionary, which letter is the least used first letter in words? X. Number 9, what pea is the name given to confections of nuts, sugar, and cream? Praline. Number 10, which New York building, when opened, was the first building to exceed 100 floors? Empire State Building.
And that's the end of our pub quiz. How did you do? Share your scores in the comments below. If you enjoyed the quiz, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and challenging quizzes. Thanks for playing with Quizverse. See you in the next quiz.